gears with some weight reduction. Last time I ran before the gears and the weight reduction, I ran a 14.2. So let's see what we end up running here. So just got done with my first run of the night. Did awesome. 13.5 at 104. So if you guys remember the last runs I had before the gears and before the weight reduction, it was 14.2 at 101 or 102. So I gained some mile per hour and I lost about say 0.7 of a second. And then the 60 foot's what I was really happy with. 2.0 60 foot. I couldn't get under a 2.2 last time, so that's pretty excited about that. Alright guys, I just finished my second run. My 60 foot was a little bit worse. It's 2.1. First run was 2.6. But my quarter mile was better. It was 13.537 at 105. So I gained a mile per hour. Dropped a few hundredths of a second off of the time as well.